Hello everyone, this is Tyler with My Computer Works, and today we're going to be talking about why you might need to start thinking about replacing that old computer. Now, the average computer survives about 5 to 8 years, and after that 8-year mark, well, you as the user will probably be experiencing performance issues that will have you pulling your hair out. The good news is, a new PC is very affordable. In fact, today you can get a PC for as low as $400 to $500. So what are the signs that it's time to get a new PC? Well, maybe it sounds like this. Or maybe your storage is full and it would be more cost effective to get a new PC rather than upgrade the drive space in that old one. It could also be that your computer is running slow due to limitations of the hardware inside. Old hardware can't run the same way it used to. And while we're on the subject of hardware, another reason someone may find themselves needing to replace their old PC is that the hardware inside is limited to updates that are allowed on it, right? So some processors aren't compatible with new versions of your operating system. For example, Microsoft releases a public list that shows the processors that will be compatible with new featured updates, and Apple does something similar for Mac. Now, if your processor is not compatible with the latest update, well, therefore you shouldn't download it, and it could cause a security concern down the line. Now, if that out-of-date version of the operating system has a vulnerability on it, well, now your computer's at risk. So, security concerns aside, it'd also be a good idea to move to a new PC before your old one dies in order to prevent data loss. Because even if you have a backup, the backup may not have run recently enough to save all your files before it dies. And also, in being preemptive, you can avoid the headache of having your workflow interrupted and possibly save yourself some money in the long run. You'll also have control over the situation instead of the situation controlling you. And when it comes to new PC, you have a few options at the moment. Windows leads the market for home and office use computers, but many people find themselves purchasing Chromebooks nowadays. They're low cost and they also run many of the same Office apps that a Windows computer would run. However, it's important to note that Chrome operating system can run Microsoft Office apps and Android applications, but it is limited in other software and applications that it can run, while Windows is not so much. It can run just about anything. With Windows, you also have your choice of any browser and any antivirus program that you want. If you're a gamer, Windows is almost a must since most games and game platforms are built for Windows and Windows alone. Now, if you have any additional questions about moving to a new PC, what PC would be a good fit for you, or if you even need to be thinking about a new PC, reach out to My Computer Works and we'll be happy to help.